It's 8:15 in the morning on Friday the 9th of April, and that is all that is left of the main part of the bingo hall. And this is one huge pile of rubble. Look at all this. I mean, wow. It's crazy. So yeah, they're just doing some cleaning up at the moment, so not a lot happening. There's a guy over there from Scrap King's TV programme who's doing some filming. So I believe the recording of this will be going on TV about August. Last time I heard, but they actually put GoPro cameras on the heads of the machinery and on the house as well, so it can be recorded when they were here. One of the guys from Scrap King's going for a climb there with his video camera.
Stories. We were talking about our beating nights. Everybody talks about Tom Jones.
Yeah.
We booked Tom Jones before he was famous. They were actually Tom Jones, and he had a band called the Squires, and they were doing up the northwest Manchester, Liverpool area and whatnot, and they wanted to stay up for the week and do the week.
Yeah.
And nobody was ever open on a Monday night.
No.
We were.
Right, okay.
So they put them in here to cover the Monday night. And the agents were saying, oh, we must have a contract, we must have a contract. I said, yeah, no problem, we'll sign a contract. Well, from the date of us booking him, a couple of months had elapsed before the actual date of the appearance. And in that time, Mr. Jonesy had recorded It's Not Unusual.
Right.
And do you remember the song?
Oh, yes.
And
big fan of Tom Jones.
It flew up the charts. Of course, their agency said, oh, we can't fulfil that date.
Wow.
Bigger things are coming in, more money and all this. And we said, oh, sorry, we've got a contract here, you must fulfil it.
Yeah.
And that's how it happened.
Wow. Wow.
We made him fulfil the contract.
Yeah,
and
good.
what a booming night we had that night.
I bet that would have been amazing. Yeah. Wow, thank you. Not long now. As always, I am doing my absolute utmost to keep you fully updated on what is going on down here. And we're on the final bit now. Look at this final bit of roof coming down. Watch this, it's going to go. When this goes, this will be one pile of dust. Oh, listen at that crunching. Listen at it. Yes. Oh. Wow. Look at that. Here she comes. Look at this. Wow, guys. This is amazing.